Hey everybody, I just got done at my doctor's appointment and I didn't turn the car on yet because I want to see if the car's still, it's not really stalling, but it's doing something weird. So if I can get it on audio, maybe the mechanic can diagnose it better. Let's see. Did you hear that? It didn't. It kind of made a noise. Let's turn it off. I got it on the electrical. Oh, come on. I don't want to get stuck here. I'm like a half an hour to 45 minutes away from my house. Alright, let's try this again. I'm taking the key out. Maybe if I give it a rest. Give it a rest. Electrical. It's not doing anything now. I might have to call my husband. Well, the car's still not turning on. And I looked through the book. There's like a, let me show you. There's a owner's manual. See, I have a Honda Accord 2008 or 2006. So anyway, I was looking through, there's like a checklist in it, and from what it said, it sounds like one of the fuses is burnt out. But under the hood, and I removed the cover for the fuses under the hood, but there wasn't, one of the ones I needed to check, you have to have a Phillips head screwdriver, and I don't have my tool with me today. Like, I usually keep I usually keep a pocket knife in my purse that has like extra tools and stuff on it, but I took it out for when I went to Europe because I didn't know what I was supposed to have there. So anyway, I didn't have a tool to try and open it to even check that, but that's what I think it is. I don't know. But my husband's sending, my husband's going to pick me up, and he's also sending our garage, the place that fixes our cars. They're going to come pick up the car, so my poor baby, Ali, my poor car is going to be in the shop, but hopefully they'll get her fixed up. And I just got to wait here for my husband to get me. So, sorry, I'm fidgeting with stuff. I fidget a lot. I guess you've noticed that. I'm going to put this away, take it with me in case I need to charge my phone in my husband's car. I guess he has a charger. I don't know. I never know what to take out of my car when they're going to come pick it up. I had a feeling this was going to happen soon because I've been having trouble starting the car, but it doesn't seem to be the battery, so hopefully that means it won't, if it's a fuse, maybe it won't be that expensive. I kind of feel like if it was me that got to make the decision, I would just tell my husband to come out here and bring tools with him, and we could look at the fuses and then go buy the fuses and put them in, but I guess we're not going to do it that way. I'll let him decide. He takes care of the money stuff. I don't quite have the mind for it anymore. I used to. Used to be all about the numbers, but not so good with the numbers anymore. So, I don't know, do I leave my car in... Do you take the emergency brake off? I don't remember. So, what's going on today is, besides the fact that my car just broke down, won't start, whatever. What's going on is, it is very cloudy out, and my hips are still killing me. My hips and my knees. But today my husband got paid, so we should be going to the grocery store, but I don't know if we're going to go to the grocery store. Who knows? He's got to stop working early so he can come get me. I guess he could have sent my son. I don't know. I'm probably overthinking everything. Don't get nervous. Ah! Well, at least I'm not on the highway or something. I'm just sitting in the parking lot of my doctor's office. So, you know, pretty safe. It's a safe area. It's just a little ways from, it's quite a ways from my house, so probably babbling now. I think I'm gonna watch some videos while I'm waiting for my husband. But yeah, I don't know where this puts me as far as what I'm gonna get done today. I mean, it's the middle of the afternoon, but I do more stuff in the afternoon and evening than any other time of day. That's usually when my energy is at its highest. I'll talk to you in a little bit. And so it's almost 10 o'clock at night, and my husband picked me up from my doctor's office, and then the garage we use is sending out a truck to get the car, so hopefully we'll hear about, you know, what's up with the car tomorrow. But I wanted to show you something that, like, it's the holidays are coming up, and I had did this thing years ago where, well, this is what it is. It's it says holiday planner, and I really don't remember where I got this idea from. It might have been a video, but it was where the person took like just a kind of like, this is a kind of notebook type thing that just, I think I either got it at the dollar store or at Joann's or something like that. Has an A on it, like for my name, but I kind of decorated it a little bit for the holidays, and then I made these little I didn't even think to do this before I saw the video about this. I wish I still knew what video it was, but because I did this in 2012, so that tells you how long I've had it. So like I put these little, I took like pinking shears and decorating scissors and stuff, and cut up some holiday plaid stuff paper, and I stapled it on here, and it says to do, list, cards, and menu. And so each year, so like for to do, so for 2012 I wrote buy Turkish delight, because I wanted to get Turkish delight that year, Tyrone, and chocolate covered cherries, and my prep was to vacuum and put up the tree. I don't know why I wrote that, okay. It was years ago. But then under the list, I'll put, so there's wish list. I would put the stuff that different people asked for. And then on the next page, I would put what I actually bought them or made them. So I can actually go back in here and see what I gave people different years. And then the next section is cards. So usually for the cards, I wrote the kind of cards that I bought, because I have a separate mailing list that I keep on Google, I don't know, it used to be called Google Docs, Google Drive, I guess. So on menu, I usually have the cookies on here that I made each year. But if I make something special, or I have a special holiday party, like there's been years where we've had a New Year's Day party. My husband likes to do a New Year's Day party. So then I'll put the menu or the menu ideas in there. So I thought I'd show this because I'm about to start using it. I bought some presents already, and I want to write them in here. Since I have memory problems, it's easier for me to write the stuff down, and then if it's like when I'm putting stuff out on Christmas, I can say, okay, do I have this thing? Do I have that thing? Or I can count them, you know? Like if I got 3 presents for somebody, then I count them, I know I got them all. I also like usually list the kind of stocking stuffers I get, so I know what I have. So I just thought I'd share that with you. It's probably not that exciting, but I need to make a new one soon, or change some of the, it's getting filled up. Some of the sections don't get filled up as much, like the cards section, because I only put the kind of cards that I use. So I think in my next book I'll just make it, I won't make an even amount of pages for each section. I'll just measure out what I think I need for each section. So I did do some cleaning in my room today. I'm not going to show it, but I mean, I only spent like a half hour to 45 minutes, and I put away some things, and I threw out some paper trash and stuff. So I think if I spend some time doing that every day, or whatever days that I can hopefully make some headway. And then at the end of the month I'll show what it looks like, and we'll see if it looks any different. Well, I have to pick up my youngest son from work in a little bit, and I might take a bath because my hip is still bothering me a lot, and I think if I sit in some hot water it might make it feel better. But I hope everybody's having a good day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.